Children, we were doing chapter 5. Today in this video we'll complete this chapter. You have read the different parts of the plants. Now we are going to study how to take care of plants. Please see carefully and learn the lesson. Caring of plants. As you can see, caring of plants. We all know that plants are very important in our life. So we are going to learn how to take care of plants. Plants are very important for us. They supply us oxygen that we breathe in. You already know that plants give us oxygen, and it takes in which gas? It takes in carbon dioxide and gives us oxygen. They give us grains, fruits, vegetables, oils, spices and medicines. They also provide us with timber or wood. Children, you have furniture at home. What is that furniture made of? That is made of wood. And we get the wood from the trees. Trees are the grown-up plants. Okay? Now, see the next. Many animals live in or on plants. Human beings and animals cannot survive without plants. You know why? Because we all depend on the plants for food. Plants are the only things which can make their own food. And human beings and animals, we all depend on the plants for food. We should take proper care of plants. Watering the plants, taking out the weeds, and taking proper care of plants is very, very important. Here are some ways in which we can take care of them. Sufficient space should be left between plants that are grown in the soil. Children, you should not sow two seeds at very less interval. There should be sufficient space given between two seeds so that the plants grow properly. We should water plants regularly depending upon their needs. Few plants require more water than others. All the plants have different requirements and needs. We should observe them properly and then take care of them. Proper sunlight should be available to them. Manures and fertilizers should be added to the soil to make it fertile. Manures and fertilizers are the things which are added to the soil to make it fertile. Fertile means much crop grows from the soil. When the soil is fertile, we can grow the crops easily. Soil should be regularly turned up with a trowel so that it remains porous and oxygen is available to the roots. Pesticides and fungicides should be sprayed whenever plants are attacked by insects or pests. Children, pesticides are the chemicals which kill the pests. Pests are the small insects which damage the plants. Okay, fungicides are the same things. Fungus destroys the plants. So fungicide is a chemical which kills the fungus. Okay. Now here are the points to remember. We have already read the chapter. Now here are the main points of the chapter. A plant has two main parts, a root and a shoot. You all have read that a root goes below the soil and shoot grows above the soil. The root fixes the plant firmly into the soil and absorbs water and minerals from the soil. The shoot, where does the shoot goes? The shoot grows above the ground, above the soil. The shoot consists of the stem, leaves, flowers and fruits. The trunk or stem keeps the plant straight and upright. The stem also carries water and food to different parts of the plant. The leaves prepare food for the plant. You should remember all these things. Now the next is flowers grow into fruits. Fruits contain seeds inside them. A seed contains a baby plant called embryo, which is inside it. I think you all remember seeds are of two types, dicot and monocot. Dicot means two seed leaves. Di means two, cot means cotyledons. Monocot, mono means one, cot means cotyledons. Cotyledons are the seed leaves. A seed germinates into a seedling when it gets the right amount of air, water, sunlight, temperature and nutrients. We should take proper care of plants. Now here is the picture to tell you how the process of photosynthesis takes place. Photosynthesis. Photo means light. Synthesis means to make. The food is made in the presence of light by the green leaves. That is called photosynthesis. You see here in the picture. Sunlight, sun is here. It is giving sunlight. Green leaves. Green leaves are because they have a pigment called chlorophyll. They take in the carbon dioxide and they take in the water from the roots, and in the presence of sunlight, the green leaves, which is chlorophyll, they make the food. And oxygen is made. Food is made and oxygen is made. We breathe in oxygen and we get the food from the plants. The whole process, you can draw this in your copy. It is called photosynthesis. Photo means light, synthesis means to make. Food is made in the presence of sunlight by the green leaves. This is called photosynthesis. Thank you. This was the chapter 5. So, please read it again and again and try to understand it. Okay.